Welcome to episode 7 of the Woxo mini-series. Today, we're talking about scheduling and downloading, the final step to your content strategy. First, open Woxo and get started. Head to the Schedule tab. In Settings, make sure to link your YouTube account if you haven't yet. Once linked, this is where you set your posting preferences, choosing exactly which days and times you want your content to go live. Don't forget to click Save. When you're ready, simply click Publish to schedule or post instantly. Made a mistake? Just click Cancel. From your dashboard, you have full control. Watch your video. Change the schedule time. Post now, update privacy settings, or even jump back into edit. Or delete, and of course you can always hit download to save it to your device. It's that easy. Master your timing and start sharing with Woxo today.